Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It has been, wow, a long time. It has been 4 years since I posted a video on YouTube, and my life has changed a lot since then. My scenery, my background has changed a lot since then. If you have watched any of my previous chalk painting videos, then you'll see that the kitchen behind me is not the kitchen that I was in before, because we have moved house and we are in a much bigger house, very exciting house project, and we're doing lots and lots of work to this house. We've just recently done the kitchen, but as you can see it's not quite finished yet. We've just got a few of those last minute decorating bits to do, but we're nearly there with the kitchen and I am so pleased with it. I absolutely love it. I just wanted to jump on quickly to tell you that I have started a new channel. 4 years down the line, I'm in a different place in my life. I am a wife, I am a mother of a 19-month-old little boy now, and so I decided to start a new channel. And this new channel is focusing on things like early education, play ideas for your child, motherhood, parenting, and I hope that I will be able to do some interiors vlogging and some sit-down videos about the process and the work that we're doing on our house as well. We've got lots of exciting projects coming up for the house. The kitchen's really the first major one, but we've got basically everything to do. We've got the bathroom overhaul. We're eventually wanting to build an extension on the house as well, which is going to be very exciting. We've just painted our living room, but I'm in the midst of deciding on the furniture and the decor for that. Still very into upcycling and thrift shopping. So if you would like to see any of those videos, I understand that a lot of those videos may not appeal to you if you're just here for the chalk painting. But if you're here because you like me as well, I hope, and you like just general interiors videos, or maybe you are now a mother or a father or a child carer, a grandparent maybe, and you want some ideas for how to play with your own children or with children that you're looking after, or just some general kind of motherhood and parenting chat, then do head on over. I'll put the link in the description below to my new channel. And I've got an Instagram account which is linked to it as well, so I'll pop that in the description below. And do come on over and say hi, because I'd love to see you over there. It's been a long time since I chatted to any of you, and I really missed YouTube and I missed making videos, and I'm so glad to be back. So if you think that that's for you and you want me to have a go at making some interior style videos, or maybe even some kind of furniture inspired videos further down the line, then do give this video a like, leave a comment below telling me what you would like to see. So I hope to see you very soon. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.